If you own a Ford Ranger, stop scrolling because today we're revealing the best Ford Ranger accessories that instantly upgrade performance, comfort, and style. These must-have upgrades Ranger owners are grabbing fast. Every product link is in the description, so you can check today's offer price instantly. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. WeatherTech Custom No-Drill Splash Guard MudFlaps. Instantly upgrade Ford Ranger protection with a precision-fit, no-drill design that prevents rust risks. Built from heavy-duty thermoplastic resin, they shield against rocks, mud, and road grime. Front and rear coverage, USA-made durability, easy installation, and long-term value make them a smart, protective investment. Number 2. OneTigris Rigid Car Sun Visor Organizer transforms any Ford Ranger into a smarter, tactical setup with its rigid fiberglass MOLLE panel that never sags or blocks visibility. Built for fast access EDC storage, this visor organizer securely holds flashlights, multi-tools, gloves, and emergency gear while surviving rough off-road driving with durable, tool-free installation and customizable overhead organization. Number 3. Rhino USA Hitch Tightener Anti-Rattle Clamp transforms your Ford Ranger towing experience with heavy-duty alloy steel strength, anti-rust powder coating, and a weatherproof silencer pad that kills annoying hitch noise instantly. Its universal 2-inch fit delivers smoother, safer towing, while the lifetime replacement guarantee adds serious long-term value and confidence for daily hauling or weekend adventures. Number 4. PRUVEEO 360-degree 4-channel dash cam transforms your Ford Ranger with full front, rear, left, and right 1080p protection, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi sharing, and crystal clear night vision. The adjustable lenses, 24/7 parking monitor, collision lock, and loop recording deliver serious security, while the supercapacitor design boosts durability and heat resistance for long, reliable daily driving performance. Number 5. PIMCAR Center Console Organizer instantly transforms the Ford Ranger interior with a factory-style fit, durable ABS construction, and smart 3-compartment storage that keeps essentials perfectly organized. The matte anti-slip finish stops rattling, while the built-in USB cable access and quick tool-free installation make daily driving cleaner, faster, and far more convenient for busy truck owners. Number 6. Govee Car Lights delivers premium RGBIC interior lighting with 16 million colors, app and remote control, and music sync modes that instantly transform Ford Ranger cabin ambience. The 2-line 72 LED design ensures easy installation, DIY customization, strong visibility, and modern style, enhancing comfort, value, and night driving experience. Number 7. Mascys truck seat covers for Ford Ranger deliver a luxury upgrade with waterproof premium leather, diamond stitching, and full protection against stains and wear. Airbag-compatible design ensures safety, while easy hook installation saves time. Durable, breathable comfort boosts interior style and long-lasting value for daily driving performance. Number 8. Modari Portable Tire Inflator delivers a high CTR road safety upgrade for Ford Ranger owners, featuring up to 160 PSI cordless power, 35-liter minute fast inflation, and smart auto shutoff. Its LED display, long-lasting battery, cooling system, and multi-mode presets ensure reliable, safe, durable performance, and emergency-ready convenience on every drive. Number 9. GarveeLife 46x36 Universal Roof Rack Cargo Carrier Basket delivers 200 pounds heavy-duty capacity with rust-resistant steel and wind deflector design for stable highway driving. Ideal for Ford Ranger users needing extra storage. It offers quick U-bolt installation, secure side rails, reflective safety strips, and long-lasting durability for road trips. Number 10. Goodyear shatterproof in-channel window deflectors for Ford Ranger Super Crew deliver premium rain protection and airflow with a sleek in-channel fit. Built from shatterproof polycarbonate, they resist cracking, enhance cabin comfort, reduce wind noise, and offer easy tool-free installation with lasting durability and all-weather performance value. Number 11. SZYANG Truck Bed Divider for Ford F-150 delivers a rugged aluminum alloy cargo management system with MOLLE grid for secure tool storage and zero shifting during transit. Easy snap installation, corrosion-resistant matte finish, and space-efficient design enhance safety, durability, and organization, making hauling gear in demanding USA conditions effortless and reliable. Number 12. Maxzina TPE Hood Protector delivers a high-impact, professional-grade shield designed for Ford Ranger drivers seeking real road protection and value. Made from flexible TPE, it deflects stones, resists weather damage, and ensures long-lasting durability. Easy peel and stick installation, strong adhesion, and eco-safe material enhance safety, performance, and daily driving confidence. Number 13. Husky Liners Fender Flares Pocket Style for 2024 to 2026 Ford Ranger delivers aggressive trail-ready styling with extended tire coverage, protecting against rocks, chips, and road debris. Built from Duraflex ABS, UV tested for durability, fade resistance, and strength. Easy no-drill install, custom fit, and premium bolt-on look enhance value and safety. Number 14. TIEZFUL Running Board Side Steps for Ford Ranger Super Crew Cab 2019 to 2025 deliver heavy-duty carbon steel strength with 500 pounds capacity, 5.81-inch non-slip tread, rust-resistant powder coating, fast drainage design, and no-drill installation, improving safety, easy access, durability, and everyday convenience for USA truck users with premium performance feel. Number 15. Beech Lane Pickup Truck Tailgate Ladder delivers a high CTR upgrade for Ford Ranger users, offering universal fit, 45-inch extension, self-drilling hex screw easy installation, and rugged aluminum grip plates for safety. Its rubber feet ensure stability. Heavy-duty straps enhance durability, making bed access safer, faster, and highly convenient daily use. Number 16. Locks Rocks Truck Bed Extender delivers high CTR value with no-drill installation using factory holes, premium aluminum tubes, and weather-resistant build. Flip-in design extends cargo space instantly, improving hauling safety and flexibility. Quick pin system ensures fast setup, strong durability, and reliable performance for heavy-duty truck utility and everyday convenience. Number 17. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam delivers Ford Ranger drivers premium 4K front and 1080p rear recording with Starvis 2 sensor for ultra-clear night vision. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast app access, while ADAS alerts and voice control enhance safety. Wide-angle coverage, reverse assist, and real-time monitoring boost confidence, durability, and driving value. Number 18. Zeyitian Store Tool-Free Steering Wheel Knob delivers instant driving control upgrade with tool-free 5-second installation, metal bearing 360-degree smooth rotation, and anti-slip ergonomic grip. Built with ABS plus alloy for extreme durability, it reduces steering effort, improves parking precision, and ensures safer handling for trucks, tractors, boats, and heavy-duty driving comfort. Number 19. MSXTTLY Vacuum Magnetic Phone Holder delivers ultra-strong 22N52 magnets with 2200 GF grip, 360-degree adjustable viewing, and reusable nano gel suction for dashboards and mirrors. Built for Ford Ranger drivers, it ensures stable navigation, safe hands-free calls, durable performance, and wide smartphone compatibility for rugged daily driving convenience. Number 20. KELCSEECS Ford Ranger Super Crew Cab floor mats deliver premium all-weather protection with precision 3D laser fit design. Built from durable TPE, They resist snow, mud, and spills, while raised edges prevent leakage. Anti-slip backing ensures safety. Easy water cleaning adds convenience, offering long-lasting interior protection and strong value for drivers. Number 21. Givifive Car Seat Gap Filler Set of 2 delivers premium protection and smart storage for Ford Ranger interiors. Using high-density flexible foam that blocks seat console gaps, prevents item drops, and adds phone key organization with hook function. Its 180-degree reversible design, easy clean water-resistant build, and universal fit ensure durability, safety, and everyday driving convenience. Number 22. Maxzina Slide-Out Truck Bed Cargo Tray delivers HDPE durability, UV resistance, and smooth sliding dual tray organization for heavy-duty use. Easy strap installation with no drilling enhances loading efficiency, maximizes bed space, and ensures secure transport. Lightweight yet strong build improves convenience, safety, and long-lasting value for demanding truck utility needs. Number 23. WHALEMOTOR Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Ford Ranger 6 feet standard bed. Delivers a secure, soft roll-up design with tool-free clamps. Weather-resistant vinyl aluminum build. Quick bed access. Improved fuel efficiency and durable protection for cargo, plus easy installation and 36-month warranty for reliable long-term value. Performance. Number 24. InnoCaptain Rear Truck Underseat Storage Box delivers custom-fit organization for Ford Ranger with rugged polypropylene build, 68-liter capacity, and anti-slip matte finish. Removable dividers, waterproof durability, and scratch resistance make it ideal for tools or travel gear. Easy no-drill installation boosts space efficiency, safety, and everyday convenience. Number 25. KELCSEECS Wireless CarPlay Adapter for Apple upgrades Ford Ranger driving experience with seamless wireless CarPlay, fast AutoConnect, and ultra-stable performance. Mini aluminum design, plug-and-play setup, USB-C A support, and low-latency Bluetooth Wi-Fi ensure smooth maps, calls, and music access, improving convenience, safety, and clutter-free premium in-car usability.